In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can fix HyperX Cloud 2 microphone not working. The first thing that you want to do is to remove the microphone on the system motherboard or from your laptop, and from there you want to plug it back in hard until you feel a click. You want to make sure that the microphone hole is facing your mount. Make sure that the mute button is on, the cable is set to off. And from there, we can bypass the HyperX Cloud or the HyperX USB sound card, which is really critical for this model. Now, you want to unplug the HyperX USB dongle. You want to use the splitter cable and you want to plug it into your computer. Basically, you want to plug it to green for headphones and pink on microphone. You can then test if the microphone works. Basically, the US dongle is broken, which is really common once again, and if not, we can then head over to our third step. You want to set the HyperX as default mic. So you want to head over to your system speaker icon right here, right click on it, click on sound settings, head over to the sound control panel, and from here click on recording. You want to scroll down until you find your microphone, right click on it, and then you want to click on the set as default device. Now, right after that, we can then test and see whether our microphone is working right here. Now for the fourth step, you want to head over to the privacy and security. So you can just search it up right here if you need to. And basically, you want to click on the microphone privacy setting. You want to allow application to access your microphone. You want to make sure that the setting is set to on, and you can just select the application that you want your microphone to be used at. For example, we have something like our camera, microphone 365, Copilot, or Microsoft 365 Copilot, and more. We also want to disable Windows audio effects. So you want to head over to properties, enhancement, and disable all enhancement. From there, you want to head over to your Discord or your games. Basically, you can just select the microphone for the HyperX or Realtek, and then from there you are good to go. You also want to turn off noise suppression, echo cancellation, and audio gain. Basically, most of these problems can occur by using the Cloud to USB dongle. The microphone works so much better through the 3.5mm jack, so you want to go ahead and simply use the audio jacks. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.